If you think a career in AI is only for the people who know Python, machine learning, algorithm, or advanced math, you are probably wrong. Today, AI has expanded far beyond the technical coding role. It has entered the world of creativity, business, design, communication, research, and marketing with problem solving. And the best part, student can enter the AI industry without writing a single line of code. In this video, I am going to break down the reality of AI career today, the top non-coding career path you can explore, the essential skill you need to master, and finally the best place to learn, including a brand new platform called the Ingrate Classroom, designed specifically to help the student build the soft skill needed for the AI-powered career. So, let's dive in. The first reality you need to understand is you do not need the coding to start in AI. Most students believe AI automatically means programming, but that's not true anymore. AI today needs people who understand the human behavior, content, communication, marketing, design, and the strategy, not just the algorithm. Company now hire role like the prompt engineer, AI trainer, AI content strategist, AI product assistant, AI ethical reviewer, and the workflow designer. These jobs are all about using AI, not building it. Think of it, you are driving a car. You don't have to know how the engine works, but you need to know how to operate it intelligently. With the tools like ChatGPT, Cloudy, Gemini, Midjourney, and dozen of a no-code AI platform, student can build the impressive project, create the content, and even start a freelancing without a technical degree. Even when I started exploring AI, I'm Himanshi, by the way. I realized quickly that success in AI is now skill based, not code based. There are so many career paths in the AI that require zero programming knowledge. For example, you can become a prompt engineer, someone who crafts high quality prompt to get the powerful output from AI tool. You can become an AI content creator using AI to produce the video, script, reel, blog, or visuals for the brand. Many companies hire AI data annotator who help the train AI model by labeling the image, text, or video. Another growing role is AI workflow designer, where you create the automated system using drag and drop no code tool. You can also become an AI product assistant, helping product teams understand user need and test the feature and design the AI driven user flow. There are also non technical AI researchers in the field like psychology education, marketing, and the healthcare. And one of the most in demand field today is the AI ethic, where you ensure the AI system are safe, unbiased, and responsible. All these careers pay extremely well, and the only thing they require is your ability to think clearly, communicate effectively, and use AI tools smartly. So, if you are not learning coding, what should you learn instead? The answer is simple: soft skill plus AI tool mastery. The new winning combination. They start with the AI literacy, meaning you understand how AI works in a simple term and how to use it efficiently. Then focus on the communication and the writing, because the role like the prompt engineering, content creation, and the product design need the clarity and the creativity. Build a strong research skill so you can analyze the information and make the smart decision. Learn design thinking to solve the problem and build the better user experience. Get comfortable with no code tools like the Notion AI, Canva AI, Runway, Zapier, and Figma. These tools help you build the real project without touching the code. And finally, develop the presentation skill, public speaking, and professional communication, because the AI career reward people who can express the idea powerfully and confidently. Now the big question, where should you learn all this? There are many platforms where the student can start. Coursera, Udemy, and the YouTube are great for the AI basic. You can learn the no-code tools through the tutorials and the bootcamp focused on the prompt engineering or the AI automation. Skillshare and the HubSpot Academy are the perfect for the communication, design, thinking. But recently something new and genuinely excited launched, the Ingrate Classroom app by the Ingrate. This app is specially designed for the student who want to grow in the AI powered future but need strong soft skill first. Inside Ingrate Classroom, you can find the practical soft skill course, communication training, confidence building lesson, and productivity module, and real world learning designed to prepare you for the non coding AI role. If you want a strong foundation in how to think, speak, communicate, and work effectively with the AI, this app is honestly a game changer. You can start learning right from your phone, anytime, anywhere, and build career ready skills within a week. So, yes, students today have a massive opportunity. You can enter the AI industry even without knowing how to code. All you need is the right mindset, the right skill, and the right learning platform. The world is changing fast, and the one who will win are those who can use the AI creatively, responsibly, and intelligently. If you are ready to start your AI journey without coding, begin learning soft skill, master AI tool, build the project, and explore the platform like in Great Classroom to strengthen your foundation. AI is no longer the future, it's the present, and this is your moment to use it to transform your career.